Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be watching some reaction footage, some true crime, some not. I hope you guys are doing well. If you don't already know, these are streamed. I stream almost every day on Twitch except Sundays usually. And if you're watching on YouTube, I encourage you to come over here. And if you're watching on Twitch, go to the YouTube channel right now. Go subscribe. These come from my Discord. That was you. These come from my Discord. We have a react suggestions tab.
Feeling better, dude.
We have a react suggestions tab in the Discord where you can put videos. Some of them might show up today or in your YouTube feed, whatever. And make sure you sub to whatever YouTube channel you're watching on, because that would be cool. Yeah. Intro. All right, dude. Let's watch a video from Midwest Safety called "Man Calls Girlfriend After Stealing Police Car." Sounds entertaining.
Officers are pursuing a stolen motorcycle. Once they detain the rider, he makes a shocking move they never saw coming.
Oh, bye. I have food, just so we're clear, so I'm going to be eating.
Hey, sir. I don't want to in your car and make no issue. I didn't steal that bike. Okay. Did I run because I know it was stolen? Yes. Can I smoke one cigarette before we go in, please?
Nope. Look, man, I'm not trying to be an asshole.
I didn't see you guys behind me for a long time.
The owner of this bike is tracking it, okay?
So how come he didn't get it from dude earlier this morning? I know who had that bike earlier.
Who's that?
I'm not a rat. I can barely talk. I play a drink of water.
I don't have any water, man.
I can't talk. I'm not trying to be I promise you.
Well, you just told me you wanted me to get bit by that dog.
Because I was upset at the time.
Why is the camera turning pink?
Cigarettes are going to dry your mouth out even more, man.
I don't care. I'm going to prison, please.
What the hell is happening?
If you're cool with me, I might let you smoke when we get to jail.
Oh.
How much do you have in the bag?
Like a quarter gram of ice and 2 Xanaxes.
Yep. True. Why did they blur that? Park kill feature automatically turns off siren when in park to help calm scene. Putting car back into drive automatically reactivates it. I actually didn't know that. Holy shit. Bro, we are in the grass. Where are we going? Like, realistically here, where are we going? Nice.
That happened, Lee.
Okay, listen to me. I stole a cop car and I'm driving. You gotta meet me somewhere, baby, so I don't get caught. Where are you meeting me?
He is dead ass calling his girlfriend on the phone.
Go up behind Ross's gas station. How long till you're there? Baby, how long till you're there? Where you at? You're in this?
Foreshadowing.
Baby, the cops are on my ass. What do I do? Baby!
Fucking stop? Oh my. That was close.
Baby, I'm heading to your dad's house. I'm gonna hide out there.
Bro, how close was that car? Bro, we are inches. That is inches. Did he say he's going to her dad's house?
Baby, I'm heading to your dad's house. I'm gonna hide out there.
Oh, I'm sure he's gonna love that.
How did that happen?
Baby, I'm gonna jump. Baby, I'm gonna jump in the river and swim down. Okay? Baby, look for me, please, please. I'm heading towards Greenville right now. Okay?
He's gonna jump in the river and swim down? Move! What the hell are we doing? Bro, I blast music in my car and I can hear a police siren.
Hey, you know where York Village is at? I'm gonna try to hide somewhere around there. Okay? Hey.
It's gonna be real awkward when they see the footage of this.
Love you.
He slipped the cuffs? I didn't see him. Dude, next thing I know, he was just... Yeah. Dude, I noticed him move around once. I saw him move when we all went to press his bag.
That's pretty fast. Yeah, right? What the hell is this guy breaking? What are you doing, bro? Oh, phone call number 2.
He's got my phone, so I can't unlock the doors of my car. Alright, he's on 67 North. Okay, Chris just rounded the curve right now.
He's on what?
York Village. They hit me with spike strips. Can't drive so much further. York Village. I'm gonna run and hide. Love ya. Love ya.
We should be able to catch up. Right. We got the tank.
Yeah, I know.
Yep.
You good my way?
Yep.
Why does he have an AR? Because there's a suspect who hijacked a police vehicle that could also have an AR in it. Like, also, like, the car could, yeah, like, the car could also be weaponized, for sure. I also didn't get a good look at it. It could have been a less lethal.
Those pieces of found on the 49.
Westbound on 49.
Get this ass, buddy.
Bro, why are we... This guy... Okay, this guy is swerving off the road. They're right there. Bro did not escape anyone. Bro escaped nothing. They're calling it the smartest hijacker ever. Wait, did he close that door? No, I don't know what that was just then.
I don't see him. Cut, where you at? See him? No.
This is dangerous, bro.
Where you at? Baby! Cut!
Like, realistically, like, he could just pop out and start shooting at any point. Like, that's gotta be scary. They don't know what this guy's gonna do. He already randomly stole a car for a misdemeanor.
Scotty, where you at? Scotty, where you at? Anybody see him here? Come on, Bobby. Is Bobby running here too? Scotty!
Buffalo Creek.
Scotty, Bobby, who else is here? Dale?
Should I ask if the weapons are still secure?
Bobby.
See?
Scotty! Scotty!
Get eject with on-scene officers, see if they're rifle and shotgun.
Wow, we're really moving to find him, guys.
Oh no.
I know. We better be checking.
I know at this time the weapons are secure.
Out of the way.
You're right behind.
Let's keep walking.
Still trying to contact the K9.
Scotty!
Oh, parkour.
Was that somebody yelling? Hold on for a minute. Come on, Scotty. Answer, baby. Answer, Scotty. I hear him back there. He's way back here.
Why would they? Why would he answer them now?
I can see 852's rifle is secure in his vehicle still.
A shotgun. You don't have the block. Because not all the vehicles have these. That's true.
Shotgun secure in vehicle.
Okay, that's good.
334 Wayne County. Do we know subject armed or not?
You just heard me say that. They scan us.
Oh, we're here, Chris. Over here, Chris. We got eyes, Chris. We got eyes on him.
What do you say? Located the deputy.
Is deputy secure?
He sounds like a train wreck.
Oh, they're calling out to the deputy.
I mean, I'm sure they're amped up. I get it.
I thought they were calling to the suspect. I was like, what?
Yeah, they should all have the anti-theft. Here we are.
This guy looks locked in.
I'm gonna get my repeater on.
Make sure all of it.
I know.
He's
905, 1110, 729.
he keeps getting cut off.
When I got on scene, Kelly was the only one here.
You want some spray? I would put some on.
Even the caption
There's a
said
Forest
veteran
Service
cops
road
arrived.
down
You can
here.
just
You
see
wanna
it.
go down it? Just hop in back, Kyle.
Oh, sorry.
What? Oh, you're fine.
I didn't know everybody was in here.
Just scoot over.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
He's got his shirt off. He stripped his shirt. I can't figure out how he took the cuffs. You know how damn far this
Why?
is? You know how far away I am from my car?
I should have shot him.
You can't do that.
Shot him.
Yeah.
I saw him move.
You
one
literally
time.
can't do that, dude.
I never thought there was a chance in the world he'd slip him.
Shirt off and in handcuffs.
We sure gotta be. He's driving the vehicle.
That cop is that pissed about his car being stolen. That's it. That's the.
Was he securing the seatbelt?
He was in there like he was supposed to be.
I feel right now.
You wouldn't be the first person.
Hell no.
Bruh.
I see coming up and Bobby. Bobby. I was like on the door.
Yeah, this guy's a real class act.
I was like, oh my God.
It was hitting like 128.
I hit 140.
The vehicle's not damaged, right?
Just tire.
I got all four.
He better lose his job. Guys, cops literally kill people for no reason and don't lose their job. They're not going to lose their job because of a comment. Unfortunately. I don't agree with them, but that's just realistically what happens.
80, 90 mile an hour down 49.
So, you dived. I was like, oh. I went to pull my gun. He went like this.
Okay.
I went through K9. Now your hands up. I'll send the dog. You
Everybody stay behind me.
Yep, no, stay back.
You want to work towards about the middle of where we left you.
Yeah,
Wow,
hey,
another
right there,
extremely trained canine.
Stay back plenty, that way we can get a good track on him. I don't like getting up in the containment area. Let's stay back.
I heard him hiding up in the brush up here.
Really?
But I didn't want to get in there.
Yeah, sure. No, he's not far. That's precious track as you can get.
Why is he not? He's running. He was still moving.
I know. Hang on, hey. Get close, but not. We don't want to get. Yeah, no, you all are good. No, you all are good. I'm just. Hey, Trent, went through here. Okay, you gonna swing around? No, you all are good. I'm trying to get killed. They're getting up there a little too far up around this track. I'm trying to keep them. You all are good.
Circle around it.
Y'all are good. Y'all are good.
Hey, right here. Show me your hand.
Show your hand.
You bet.
Fucking where?
Hey, right here. Show me your hand.
Show your hand.
You better not move. You hear me? Do not move. Do not.
Good to know that the dog found him.
I got him. You're gonna put your hands on your back. You're gonna roll over right now.
This guy's getting torn up.
Get out! Let go of the tree!
I'm not holding that way.
Oh, he's shirtless too.
I'm not holding on to
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Stand up. Put your feet under and stand up. Damn it.
Your weight in there. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not resisting at all.
Bull. You got him?
Step out.
Go.
Super strict as well. Thank you for being respectful. About to get worse,
Huh? I do prison. You're going to do it for a long time.
I do prison.
You're done. How does 20 sound?
Since we've already obviously shown what he's like, let's get a cage car to take him.
No, I did a prison.
Doing a problem to
You got the right to remain silent. I'd suggest you use it.
I suggest you shut the f*** up. I know my rights.
Good.
That's literally what he told you, bro.
Go.
Yeah, get him, cadet.
I was grabbing you so I didn't fall. What did my mother fall?
Pull his pants up.
Make sure you got no blood on it. He's bleeding. Had a couple scratches.
Where you at? Candy was coming over. Black buddy. What's your name? What was his name?
Which one?
These two right here.
Stinson Morgan.
Like, you just...
And for what?
I'll catch you again. I thought I'm doing 20 years. Talk to you second time? What's the third?
You talked to me first time?
Yeah.
4.5 years ago?
Yeah.
You didn't catch shit when your ass would. I know it would.
Didn't catch shit, but you literally served. Oh, mama bird.
Shoot, that is respect.
That's respect.
Or you want to put those on and I'll take mine.
Yeah, I bet you will.
I know it. You can make it in prison.
Bro, that guy is a head taller than him, and he's talking shit.
Keep a camera on him so he won't try to say we done something. I don't know.
He wasn't ever trying to hurt you, but he kept looking at your cap going, click, click, click. I'm like, hey.
The suspect, identified as 38-year-old Andrew Delcamp, has an extensive criminal history in Missouri, with criminal cases dating back
This
to
was in
2017.
Missouri?
According to court records, he previously pleaded guilty to second-degree burglary in 2019 and was sentenced to 7 years in the Missouri Department of Corrections. For this case, Andrew
Bruh.
pleaded guilty in 2 separate Butler County felony cases on February 25th, 2025. He pleaded guilty to first-degree tampering with a motor vehicle, resisting arrest by fleeing while creating a substantial risk of serious injury or death, and second-degree burglary. He was sentenced to 7
Yeah,
years in the
Butler
Missouri Department
County
of
is
Corrections
like
for tampering
Poplar
with a motor
Bluff
vehicle
area.
and
That's-
2 years for resisting arrest,
that's
with the sentences ordered
crazy.
to run back-to-back. He received an additional 7 years for second-degree burglary, which was added to the previous sentence. In total, Andrew was sentenced to 16 years in prison,
I
just
can't
4
believe
years
it.
shy of...
How does 20 sound?
He could have easily gotten 20. What the hell am I looking at in this thumbnail? Well, I gotta click that one next. Sorry. Well, and fucking Ted's here again. Ted, get out of here. I'm sure that video is awesome, but get out of here, man.